5 smelly baby feet remedies because there's nothing cute about that odor. Every mom on the planet thinks that their baby is going to smell like heaven from the minute they're born and throughout their first year. Literally heaven. You can't imagine them smelling like anything other than that new baby smell. I got a reality check when my babies got chubby enough to catch formula in their creases. That is one foul smell, but probably not as surprising as the sour smell that may come from their toes. If your little one is rocking some surprising foot odor, here are some smelly baby feet remedies that will fix the problem fast, so you can get back to oohing and eyeing your perfect bundle. Whether you opt for a common household ingredient or assess the materials that you're keeping your baby's feet covered in, there are ways to make your baby's feet smell better and quickly. The best thing is these are ways that don't take a lot of energy, money, or chemicals to deodorize your baby's toes. And these tricks can take away the yucky smell from older people's feet as well, so if your husband or partner happens to have less than aromatic toes, you know what to load your pantry up with. 1. Use cornstarch. One of the main reasons babies' feet are stinky is because they can hold on to moisture, especially if they're extra bundled. To keep them from sweating too much, dust on a thin coating of talcum powder, cornstarch or plain baking soda before slipping on socks and shoes to absorb wetness, suggested today. Try whatever you have in your pantry first and go from there. Those ingredients should help neutralize odors without adding anything strange smelling to the mix. 2. Buy more shoes. Another reason babies get stinky feet is because they don't have the luxury of rotating shoes nearly as often as we adults do. Most babies only have a couple pairs of shoes they wear all the time, and that can make their feet smellier. And let's be honest, you're probably prioritizing comfort over breathable materials. You don't need a pair of shoes for every day of the week for your baby. But you might want to invest in another few pairs so they have time to wear out before you put your little one's chubby toes back in. Also opt for baby-in shoes made from natural materials like canvas or leather rather than plastic. Reported smart parenting because they allow it to circulate in and out. 3. Wash them with white vinegar. Try washing your baby's feet in a mixture of white vinegar and lukewarm water, although that might really cut down on the cute baby smell he had going from the ankles up. The white vinegar can help fight bacteria that can lead to sticky feet. Dr. Mark A. Kaczynski, professor at the New York College of Pediatric Medicine, recommended in an article on the Huffington Post. Try soaking feet daily in 1 part vinegar and 2 parts water, he suggested. That's a pretty simple recipe you can whip up from a single item in your pantry in the time it takes to finish reading this article. 4. Opt for cotton socks. If it's summertime and you can put your kid in sandals as much as possible, you should. Let those toes air out. But if you need to put your baby in closed-toe shoes, make sure their socks are cotton, not synthetic fibers. Dr. David Geller, a pediatrician at Massachusetts General Hospital, told Baby Center that you should take off your baby's shoes and socks off whenever possible if you're struggling with their stinky feet.